how to buy and stake Juno to get more airdrops on the Cosmos ecosystem. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it and how much Juno to stake. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and I actually have a Discord below for crypto passive income if you guys want to join. I'm trying to grow it organically. It's 100% free. I have airdrop alerts, altcoin alerts, all that good stuff. So definitely join if you're aiming to live off of your cryptos. So I'm keplr, that app right here, and you're gonna need the keplr wallet to stake and buy Juno. Okay, and there's only one way to buy Juno at the moment. And just imagine that once it goes on exchanges, right, this can explode. So you go right here to keplr, that app. I'll leave the links in the description below. You're going to click right here, install it for your Chrome. It's going to show up right here at the top right. And then after you got it right there, you're going to make an account. You're going to have a password. What I recommend is having a ledger. Connect it with a ledger. It will just be a lot more secure because every transaction, you got to physically click it. Okay, so connect it to your ledger. If you don't have a ledger yet, I have a referral code to buy a ledger in the description below, so if you guys want to buy that. So then awesome, after you make an account, you're going to see all the cryptos right here on the left that you guys can stake. We're looking for Juno right over here. But the question is, how we're going to buy Juno? Well, to buy Juno, you first need to buy Atom and send it over to your keplr wallet. Now, I personally like to buy Atom on Kucoin because they have a very low withdrawal fee. But you can also get it on Coinbase Pro. Then just send it over to your keplr wallet. You click right here on Cosmos Hub. You're going to have a address for your Cosmos, for your Atom token. You copy that address from your keplr wallet and then send over your Atom. Okay, so then after you got Atom on your keplr wallet, the next step you guys want to do is head over to Osmosis. Okay, and Osmosis is the only way, like I said, is the only way where you can buy Juno and any of these cryptos on the Cosmos ecosystem. So you press right here into the lab. Another awesome thing that I love about Osmosis is the fact that the transactions are literally free. There's zero Osmo. So then once you're here, you're going to connect your wallet right here at the bottom, but you still don't have your Atom on here. Okay, where you want to go is you want to click on assets. And then right over here, this is where you want to deposit. Okay, I got zero Atom. I have two, but I have zero right over here on Osmosis right here. So then after you deposit and you confirm it on your ledger, or if you don't have a ledger, you confirm it, it's going to show up right here. You just got to refresh the page, go to one page, go back, and then boom, as you guys can see, it's right there. And then boom, you guys can see it's right there. Now we're able to buy Juno. And then where you go is right here to trade. Then right here you have Atom already. You're going to click right here and you're going to try to search for Juno. And I'm also going to tell you how to stake and how much Juno you need to get these airdrops. Okay, after you swap it, you guys will see that it's literally zero Osmo. And then if you go back right here to assets, okay, you will see your Juno right over here. Okay, so it's right over here. Now the next step is you want to withdraw your Juno back to your keplr wallet, but it's super easy. All you gotta do is click right here, withdraw, and your address is already gonna be right there. You're just gonna click a few buttons. So then awesome, I just withdrawed all of it back to my keplr wallet. Now we're gonna go back to our keplr wallet. You can actually click right here at the top right, just click on it and press stake for Juno, and then it should take you to the Juno stake page. Now I'm gonna help you choose the right validator, and this is super important because if you choose the wrong one, you might not get these airdrops. Now the amount of Juno that I recommend, obviously not financial advice, but looking from past history, airdrops, the standard Juno to get most of the airdrops have been 10. So if you can, try to buy or DCA your way into staking at least 10 Juno, right? Obviously there are some that require 20, 25, but the minimum is at least 10 Juno. Now when you're choosing a validator, I recommend not choosing the top 15, and I also recommend not choosing ones that have zero commission. So if they say either 0 or 100, don't stake with them. And also don't stake with big ones that are like Binance, Coinbase, and other ones like that. Basically, if you follow those rules, you will be set and you should be able to qualify for the airdrops. So after you find the one that you guys like, click on manage and then just click on delegate. And then right here, be careful, don't put max. What you guys want to do is you guys want to leave a little bit of Juno, okay, for the gas fees when you guys claim your Juno from staking, okay, because you will be able to claim the rewards for staking, and in order to claim those rewards, there's going to be a little bit of gas fees for Juno. After you press delegate and confirm it, it should be set. You guys should see it right over there at the top, and also when you press keplr. That's basically how you buy and stake Juno, which in my opinion is probably the biggest one to get these airdrops. I used to think it was Atom, but now I'm putting Juno over it because there's been a lot of airdrops that disqualified you for staking at least 10 and up Juno. So again, guys, join my free Discord. It's 100% free. I'm trying to grow it organically. Let's focus on crypto passive income because who doesn't want to live off of their crypto, right? So definitely check out my Discord in the pinned comment. And thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.